Hey guys, it's been a while, well for me, but it is time to eat. Oh yeah. Yeah. Chewy is here to watch me chew. All right, so tonight I have my extra crispy chicken. I have some radish kimchi, channeling my time when I spent, 18 months? I lived in Korea for 18 months, so these are some of the side dishes that I used to enjoy, and so I decided to make them. So I have my chicken, I have my 2 side dishes, and I also have some soup with radish, tofu, and green onion. So yeah, so I'm ready to get into this. Ooh. Look at that. I'm telling you guys, it is delicious. Look how juicy that is. Go ahead and get you a bite. Get you a bite. I made this chicken tonight because 1, it's one of my favorites. 2, I found a secret. And I'm not sure if it's a secret, but I want to share it. And that is potato starch. For all of you guys that are interested in keto, or thinking about keto, or doing keto, I came across the potato starch thing. I don't even know how I came across it. All I know is that I was pretty excited about finding out how it works. So I have been using this twice today. For lunch, I had it on some eggplant. And now, I put it on the chicken. And let me tell you, it's crunchy and good. It is. I won't lie to you. And I can't get enough of this soup. I made a pot of it today. I used the fish heads that I had left over from some red snapper, and I boiled it and added green onions, garlic, soy sauce. That's so good. Sesame oil. Radish, tofu. So good. And the pickled radish is pretty easy to make. It's good. Me and Chewy kind of look alike, don't we? So good. I have this sauce and I've been wanting to try it out because I have been seeing it everywhere. This company makes the hot noodles, and so, excuse me, I wanted to try it out. So it says shake really well, and I am going to try it. It's not really that big of a bottle. It is, I want to say it's less than, it may be 8 ounces. And it was about $6. Okay, so let me pour a little bit. Oh yeah. I only want to put a little, oh, so crispy. Oh my God, it's so good. That's good. Kind of hit you in the back of the throat. You ain't expecting it, but woo. And it's spicy too. That's good. Let me put that right now. You gotta be ready for it. That thing is spicy. But let me tell you, this pickled radish is coming in on time. A dab will do you. That's been good. Let me tell you, it's good. It's good. It's good. If you like spicy sauce, that's the sauce. Kind of like a sweet type flavor, but it's delicious. I hope you guys enjoy it. See you later. Bye.